Purchasing QuickBooks Desktop. If you're looking to purchase QuickBooks Desktop in the US, here's a structured guide to assist you. Available versions. QuickBooks Desktop offers several versions tailored to different business needs. Pro Plus, suitable for small businesses managing basic accounting tasks. Premier Plus, designed for businesses requiring industry-specific features. Enterprise, ideal for larger businesses needing advanced reporting and scalability. Authorized Retailers. You can purchase QuickBooks Desktop from authorized retailers such as Amazon and Best Buy. Ensure that the seller is reputable to guarantee you receive a legitimate product. Intuit Sales Policy Update. Intuit has announced that after September 30th, 2024, they will no longer sell new subscriptions of certain QuickBooks Desktop products to new US subscribers. Existing subscribers can continue to renew their subscriptions and will receive ongoing support and updates. This change applies to QuickBooks Desktop Pro Plus, QuickBooks Desktop Premier Plus, QuickBooks Desktop Mac, plus QuickBooks Desktop Enhanced Payroll. QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise products are not affected by this change and will continue to be available for purchase. Considerations before purchasing. System requirements. Ensure your computer meets the necessary system requirements for the version you intend to purchase. Subscription model. Be aware that QuickBooks Desktop operates on a subscription basis, typically requiring annual renewals. Support and updates. Purchasing from authorized retailers ensures access to official support and product updates. By following this guide, you can make an informed decision when purchasing QuickBooks Desktop in the US, ensuring it aligns with your business needs and Intuit's current sales policies.